Good morning guys, in front of me is HONOR X6b and let me show you how to do the fingerprint. At first open the settings, then find and select biometrics and password, choose fingerprint ID, and at first you need to set some pin code, pattern, password, whatever. It's gonna be kind of backup to your fingerprint, so you can change it here, but let me set pin code, then re-enter it just to confirm it's all the same with pattern or password, and now mark unlock device under use fingerprint too. So as you can see, fingerprint sensor is located on your power button right here, so just grab your phone as you usually do it and keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. Just lift your finger up, place it on the sensor and recreate the action till it's fully done. And that's it, mark OK. And from now on you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.